Hey there, marine biologists! Today, let's dive into some promising news from the coral reefs off the coast of Florida. A year after the worst bleaching event ever recorded, these resilient reefs are showing signs of recovery. Despite elevated ocean temperatures, scientists have noted that this summer, the bleaching wasn't as severe as expected. Last summer's record-high ocean temperatures, fueled by an El Niño climate pattern, triggered a global coral bleaching event. In the Florida Keys, widespread bleaching devastated many coral reefs. But this year, thanks to a mix of storms and extended cloudy weather, water temperatures stayed below last year's alarming levels. According to Fenor Montoya Maya from the Coral Restoration Foundation, we're better off than last year but still at an alert level. Some bleaching did occur, but it was within the normal range for summer conditions. A partially bleached staghorn coral, planted by scientists, was observed on Paradise Reef near Key Biscayne, Florida, on August 4, 2023. Researchers from the University of Miami established a new restoration research site there to better understand the heat tolerance of specific coral species. In August, the Coral Restoration Foundation staff observed spawning in 4 coral colonies. Corals reproduce both by growing and through sexual reproduction. Once a year, in a synchronized event, corals release their eggs and sperm simultaneously. Montoya Maya noted that only one of the 4 colonies in offshore nurseries had viable gametes this year. The bleaching had forced these corals to focus on survival rather than reproduction. However, with the return of more typical water temperatures, he expects successful spawning in the nurseries next year. The Coral Restoration Foundation is among several groups that launched rescue missions last year to save genotypes of endangered coral species. Some corals have successfully reproduced in nurseries and are set to be replanted onto reefs soon. Montoya Maya says colonies of elkhorn coral and several other species have grown so large in nurseries that they need to be trimmed or replanted. We are confident that once temperatures start decreasing and we are out of the bleaching zone, we will resume outplanting, he says. In conclusion, while challenges remain, the resilience and recovery of Florida's coral reefs offer a glimmer of hope. With continued efforts and favorable conditions, these vital ecosystems can thrive once more. Thanks for tuning in, and keep up the great work in marine biology.